This is a product video for Avery Dennison's SkyLite 20 XTRM Pro Window Film. The film is based on a new metal alloy that has excellent corrosion resistance. It has a UV durable XP coating that extends the longevity even in harsh outdoor conditions. And here are the details. Product thickness 5 mil that includes the protective layer and release liner. Net film thickness on the glass 2 mil. It has a protective mask layer to ensure a scratch-free installation. It's pressure sensitive, and for ease of install, the protective masking layer is wound out, the release liner is wound in. And it's very important to note that in most cases, no edge sealing is required. In terms of film benefits and properties, it's high performance, it rejects 65% of the solar energy, 99.9% of UV, it has enhanced durability up to 10 years, and has a neutral appearance with high optical quality and aesthetics. For administrative purposes, always be sure to document the lot number on the box, and when opening the box, place the top portion face down on the table, then the bottom portion inside this piece. Note the product bulletin inside the box for information and install tips, and there's a measurement guide on the outside of the box which can be used as a dispenser, so be sure to keep the plastic ends on the roll. Avoid releasing the film at a high angle as it can wrinkle the film. Instead, allow the film to hang evenly off a work table. And note that it has 3 layers. A cap sheet and liner on the top and bottom, and in the middle, the SkyLite 20 XTRM Pro. For installation, note that the Avery Dennison SkyLite 20 XTRM Pro is only suitable for installation on glass skylights. And the recommended tools are pressurized spray bottle, detergent-free soap, non-abrasive cloth and soft squeegee, scraper, Wolf knife or equivalent, 6-inch window film squeegee with handle, paper towels, and a non-abrasive scrub pad. For cleaning, first remove the main layer of dirt using the soap and water solution, and put extra focus on the outside edges as dirt and debris can build up on these areas, particularly if there's a rubber molding. Dry the edges thoroughly with a microfiber towel or paper towel. Next, spray the window again and use a metal scraper that is brand new. This removes any tiny particles that are clinging to the glass surface. Use overlapping strokes, and for sloped windows, work from top to the bottom. If there is a concern of scratching the glass, it is okay to use a white scrub pad. Spray the window one more time and then squeegee the moisture off. Avoid using a towel during this step to avoid any lint staying on the surface. And on the final wipe, be sure to put extra focus on the bottom edge. Now, measure the windows, both left to right and top to bottom. Find a location that is easy to work in and allows for focused workflow to section up the panels. A good tip is to secure the knife in the box at the right measurement point and then release the film from the box. This helps streamline the production process and avoids waste. Always be sure to roll the film up carefully to avoid it wrinkling during this process. For the optimal install protocol, it's very important to follow these steps. Release the liner roughly 4 to 5 inches, wet the adhesive side of the film and hold the liner and the roll in one hand. Now spray the section being installed thoroughly and place the panel in position. Release the liner while rolling it up at the same time to expose more adhesive. Spray the surface and film as needed to keep it wet. Trim any sections that keep the panel from laying flat on the glass. Work in even sections from one side of the window to the other, making sure to release the liner onto the top of the film and keep the underside fully moisturized. Note that for install, the surrounding temperature can be between 41 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and it shouldn't be windy or rainy. Now it's time to squeegee the SkyLite 20 XTRM Pro into position. First, spray the surface with a slip solution, then squeegee the film in the middle, then side to side. Use firm overlapping squeegee strokes and work in sections. So once one section is done, squeegee in the middle, then side to side. This method is efficient and helps avoid trapping moisture under the film during this process. Once the film has been squeegeed, use a sharp blade and the squeegee assist method for cutting away the excess film. This means placing the squeegee on the edge and the blade on the inside portion of the squeegee. This ensures a straight cut and one that leaves the film just short of the edge, which helps it lay 100% flat on the glass. After trimming, spray the surface again with the slip solution and squeegee a second time. This ensures that no moisture is left under the glass, which helps with quality and long-term durability. Now dry the main surface to take away any moisture on the edges as well as the main surface to check for bubbles. After the drying process, a very good tip is to always check the surface for any notation on the cap sheet. This means it still needs to be removed. Always pull low and flat during this process. And it is very important to note that in most cases, edge sealing is not required. Though exclusions do apply, please consult your installer for their recommendation based on your region and building type. And the durability is up to 10 years. For maintenance, the SkyLite 20 XTRM Pro should be cleaned 3 times a year to maintain the appearance and clarity. Do not use cleaning solutions that contain MEK or acetone, and avoid using brushes and squeegees that can scratch the film. This has been a product video for Avery Dennison's SkyLite 20 XTRM Pro, proudly produced by the Rep Institute.